Your specific person, twin flame, soulmate, mirror soul, whatever you call them, can absolutely hear your thoughts. And in today's video, I'm going to give you two very fun and important exercises that you need to practice every day so that you can finally manifest your specific person by the end of this video. Now remember that these exercises can give you results instantly, or it may take you 2-3 times to practice to get results. But you will not identify yourself as one of those people who constantly say, oh, I've tried everything, but nothing works out for me. No. Always remember that how you perceive yourself in this entire journey, not through their lens, but also through your lens as well, is how your results are going to be. All right. So you must have an open approach. You must understand that this works. So you have to let go of all of those negative assumptions about yourself that everyone can manifest. You can't manifest. That manifestation is not real. No, you have already seen a lot of success stories in this channel to be confirmed about the law. All right. Okay. So now let's get into the exercises. The first one will be about testing the law. So what you're going to do is you're going to think about some random person, some old school friend or someone at the office, whoever, someone who you're not too attached to. I want you to close your eyes for a while and think about them and what they must be doing at this point of time. Just imagine that and just think about them, what they have been up to. Check their socials for a while if you want to, and it's okay. And then just decide, okay, they are going to reach out to me this week. Or you can tell yourself, okay, I want to get in touch with this person, but they will reach out to me before I do anything. Or you can also tell yourself statements like, wouldn't it be wonderful if we could hang out together? All right. So just tell yourself all of these affirmations regarding them with the mindset that you want to spend time with them and they will be the first one to make the plan. All right. And just think about it. Don't obsess over it. Think about it again and again. Okay, as much as you can. All right, and let it go. Don't contact them yourself. Now, the second exercise is about your specific person. Now, let's say you're not in touch. Let's say you're the no contact group. Or let's say that you have very hot and cold contact with them. First things first, stop identifying the situation as a no contact situation. Stop it. From this moment, let go of this circumstance. Let go no matter how much it hurts. Okay? If you want to get this, you have to be serious about it. And if you are serious about it, you can't cry about it. All right? Okay. Secondly, just also stop identifying the situation as hot and cold. Everything is hot. That is what you're going to tell yourself. Now, close your eyes. Follow my words. Close your eyes. Sit back. Relax. Take a deep breath. Once, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times. Now, when I ask you to close your eyes and think about them, where do you imagine them to be? Are they sitting in their car? Are they driving? Are they studying? Are they in their office? What are they wearing? Just submerge yourself. Wonder where they are. Now, imagine them picking up their phone. Imagine them picking up their phone, unlocking their phone, and just going to the call log, scrolling through the recently called section of their phone and coming across your name. Now imagine their mouth turn into a smile, a very soft smile, the moment they see your name. Now just assume that they are thinking, oh, damn, it's been so long that I have talked to her. Let me call her now. Or it's been so long that I've talked to them. They're looking at your name right now and they're saying, it's been so long that I've talked to them and I just want to call them right now. And then they press the call button. Now do this 2-3 times. Now open your eyes. Now let me ask you, how would you feel at this moment if you receive their call, like right now, telling you, I've missed you so much. I really wanted to call you, and every time I came across your name in the call log or in WhatsApp, I was like, should I call them? Will they even want to talk to me? I was in my head, and that is why it took me so long to respond. How would you feel if they told you this right now? Now, write that feeling down on a piece of paper in past tense. So what you're going to do in that piece of paper is that you're going to write, today they finally called me and I felt exactly I had imagined, but in that moment it felt so exciting and I felt so grateful and relieved that I finally received that call, and the conversation happened exactly the way I wanted. Now you can rewind and listen to the script again, and you can extend it as much as you want. Alright, no limits, no word limit. Just write to your heart's content. But the most important thing is that you remain very much in tune with your emotions, that excitement, that expectation, the joy, and that will help you to manifest faster. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. If you want coaching from me, please check the description box below to get in touch with me, and I will also have in my comments pinned the courses and everything that I offer. We'll meet again.